Gentlemen, comma, we received your communication of the 14th in which you complain of the delay in the completion of your contract full stop that we have failed to accomplish what we promised. We must admit, comma, and we very much regret our failure, full stop. Next para, we are confident, comma, however, comma, that the contract could have been completed as agreed upon, but for the recent trouble with the Commercial Transport Committee, comma, which was immediately responsible for the delay, full stop, their decision interfered considerably with our business, comma, and when we state that only 30 of our transport men have continued at work, comma, we think you will recognize how difficult it has been satisfy our customers, full stop. Next para, it is unnecessary for us to add that we should regret the transfer of your business, comma, considering the long connection between us, comma, and the cause of the present interruption, full stop. Very truly yours.